So this is our Greenstar boiler. We've now had it here. I believe this is our 16th heating season with this unit. So inside this unit, basically what you got, basically we're bringing the water back up through the unit like this, a counterflow design, and we downfire here. We got our gas air mixture going through here, bringing it up here, spark ignition, flame rod, flue gas is scrubbing. So our whole idea with condensing technology on this unit is to bring the coolest return water temperature, and we pump it up this way, and we let the flue gas go down. This way, our coolest return water hits our coolest condensate, and in the bottom here, we have a trap. And this is actually a Bosch pump in there going through it. And here's my trap right here. And when you're looking at the main piece of this unit is a cast aluminum heat exchanger. It has a lot wider waterways in our hydronic system than some of our competitors out there. And that's what we do. We bring the water, we counterflow it, we bring it up, then my supply water is going out here, right out to the supply. And the combis only, basically you got a 3.17 liter expansion tank, and that's on the system side of the unit too. That's a quick overview. One of the best products on the market, one of the best warranties on the market. It's got 5-year parts and labor through Bosch, and it also has 10 years full on the heat exchanger, and then basically it gets prorated after that up through 25 years.